Okay, so check it again. Question number 3, part 1 is, without actual long division, determine whether x minus 2 and x minus 3 are the factors of the given polynomial. Okay, let's set here value of x is equal to 2, as x minus 2 is equal to 0. If we put x minus 2 is equal to 0, then value of x will be equal to 2. Putting the value of x in polynomial equation, p of 2 is equal to 2 cube minus 12 into 2 square plus 44 into 2 minus 48. That will become 8 minus 48 plus 88 minus 44, because 2 square is 4, 4 12s are 48, and 2 cube is 8. And by adding this will become 0. Since the remainder is 0, therefore x minus 2 is a factor of p of x. Okay, the to check the remainder of x minus 3. Here the value of x is equal to 3. Put the value of x in the given equation. P of 3 is equal to 3 cube minus 12 into 3 square plus 44 into 3 minus 48. Okay, 3 cube is 27 minus 108, as 3 square is 9, 9 12 is 108 plus 132 minus 48. That will become 3. Since the remainder is not equal to 0, so we can say that x minus 3 is not a factor of p of x. Oh beta, you may understand this. If you have any question, you can note down. Okay, you can note down on your copy. I will discuss at the end of lecture. So let's move to the second part of this question number 3. The second part of question number 3 is x minus 2. Check whether x minus 2 and x minus 4 are the factors of q of x. Okay, to check whether x minus 2 and x minus 4 are the factors of q of x or not. So let's start. Here x minus 2, the value of x will become 2. Okay, q of x is equal to x cube plus 2 into x square minus 5x minus 6. That will become p of 2 is equal to 2 cube plus 2 into 2 square minus 5 into 2 minus 6. 2 cube is 8, 2 cube is 8, and 2 square is 4, 4 2s are 8, and 5 2s are 10 minus 10 minus 6. 8 plus 8, 16, minus 10 minus 6 minus 16. Plus 16 and minus 16 will cut. The remaining will be 0. So we can conclude that from here, since remainder is 0, okay, therefore x minus 2 is the factor of q of x. Okay, अच्छा, तो the remainder for x minus 4, the remainder for x minus 4 is p. We have to check the remainder for x minus 4. Okay, so p of 4 is equal to, by putting the value 4 cube plus 2 into 4 square minus 5 into 4 minus 6. 4 cube is 4 cube is 64, as 4 into 4 into 4. That will be is equal to 64, as 4 cube is 64 plus 2 into 4 square. 4 square will be 16, 16 twos are 32, and 5 fours are minus 20 and minus 6. That will be 64 plus 32 minus 20 and minus 6. By adding all these, this will become 70. So you can see that that is not equal to 0. That is not a factor. So you can conclude that uh, oh, not a that is not a factor as remainder is not equal to 0. Okay. So hope you may understand this question. If you have any question, kindly note down. So, beta, if you have any question, you can note down. Okay, I will give you answer at the end of lecture. Okay. So if you have any issue related to this lecture or you want to ask question related to this subject, you may ask, but during the time period that I will give to you. Okay, let's move to the next question is 4. Acha. Forward value of n is the polynomial p of x is equal to 4x cubed minus 7x squared plus 6x minus 3m exactly divisible by x plus 2. Okay. अ, अच्छा तो यहाँ पे we have to check. You can note down forward value of m, the polynomial p of x is exactly divisible by x plus 2. You can see that here is the condition is given that this is exactly divisible by x plus 2. That means remainder will be 0. Okay, you can note down if we are putting this value x plus 2 as a factor. Okay, this will become 0. The remainder will be 0. So from here we can find the value of x. अच्छा, तो यहाँ पे देखें 4 into you can put the you can put down the value of x into this polynomial. 4 into minus 2 cube minus 7 into minus 2 square minus plus 6 into minus 2 minus 3m is equal to 0. Okay, so minus 2 cube is minus 8, 8 fours are minus 32. ठीक है, minus 32 and minus 2 square will be plus 4, 4 sevens are 4 sevens are 28, 6 twos are minus 12 and minus 3. Okay, minus 32 minus 28 minus 12 minus 3m. So minus 32 minus 28 minus 12 will become minus 72 and minus 3m will remain same. Okay, by taking common 3 here because 3 is common, 3 to the 6. Here you can see that here is 7, 3 to the 6 and that will become 12 and 3 for the 12. This will become minus 24. Minus 24 minus m is equal to 0. By shifting m to other side, then m will is equal to minus 24. So we can conclude that from here for m is equal to 4. Okay, for m is equal to 20 minus 24, this polynomial p of x will be exactly divisible by x plus 2. Okay, Salia Zulfar, I will give you answer at the end of lecture. So beta, don't ask question now. You have to just focus on my lecture, okay? Just focus on lecture. I will give you answer at the end of lecture. Thank you. Hope you may understand this. So let's move on next slide. Here the question is question number 5, determine the value of k. If p of x, here a polynomial, two polynomials are given, p of x and q of x leaves the same remainder when divided by x minus 3. Here are two polynomials p of x and q of x. Okay, there are two polynomials p of x and q of x. Here condition that when that is both both polynomial divided by x minus 3, then remainder will be same. Okay, we can put down, we can compare both remainder, okay, by making an equation. So putting p of x is equal to 3 in p of x, then that will be k into 3 cube plus 4 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 minus 4. 3 cube will be 27, as 6 is a 9 and 3 is a 27, plus 3 9, 3 3 is a 9, 9 4 is a 36, plus 3 3 is a 9 and minus 4. Okay, that by adding this 36 plus 9 minus 4 will become 41. Okay, 27k plus 41. Uh, so that will be equation 1. So putting x minus 3 in the polynomial q of 3, q of x. Okay, q of 3 will be is equal to 3 cube minus 4 into 3, okay, plus k. 3 cube will be equal to 27 minus 4 3 is 12. If we are adding this 27 minus 12, that will become 15. Okay, 15 plus k. That will be second equation. That is first remainder and that is second remainder. The condition given in the question is both remainder leaves the same. So we can conclude from this question, according to given condition, the both remainder will be equal. Okay, as first remainder is 27k plus 41 and second remainder is 15 plus k. They both are equal because that is given in the question. Both polynomials leaves the same remainder, so we can put them equal. So by shifting, as here is 27k and on the opposite side there is 1k. Okay, by shifting uh, 27k, this will become 27k minus k. 27 minus 1 will become 26k. Okay, and here is 15, this is plus 41. By shifting to right hand side, this will become minus 41. 15 minus 41, this will become minus 26. Dividing both sides by 26, then value of k is equal to 1. So, so we can conclude from here the value of k will be minus 1. Okay, hope you may understand this. काइंडली इन्फॉर्म मी बेटा, क्या अभी आपको स्क्रीन अभी शो हो रही है कि नहीं? क्वेश्चन 5 ही मैं समझा रहा हूँ. मैं आपको क्वेश्चन 5 ही समझा रहा था और आप भी बोल रहे हैं कि क्वेश्चन 5 शो हो रहा है. तो काइंडली इन्फॉर्म मी हु कैन सी द स्क्रीन, who may see the screen. Okay, I will repeat this again. I will repeat this question again. So many of the students are saying that question 4 is showing. Okay, stop check. Okay, I have confirmed now. Neha Fatma confirmed me that question 5 is showing. Okay. Okay, I will repeat this again. I will repeat this again. Question number 5. Kindly inform me. Can you see this question? Okay, many of the students confirm me that they can see. Okay, okay. So that's very good. आप सबके आप बयान मिल चुके हैं तो अच्छी बात है. चले. Okay, I'm repeating this question again. Here, question 5. Determine the value of k if polynomial p of x and q of x leaves the same remainder when divided by x minus 3. अच्छा, तो मीन्स के इसको यूं कहा गया है कि अगर x माइनस 3 से डिवाइड किया जाए इन दोनों पॉलिनोमियल्स को p ऑफ x को भी और q ऑफ x को, ठीक है, दोनों के रिमाइंडर सेम आएंगे. हमने क्या करना है, जब x माइनस 3 की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे तो जो दोनों के रिमाइंडर आएंगे उनको इक्वली कंसीडर कर देना है. ठीक है. सो बाय पुटिंग द वैल्यूज ऑफ x as value of x is equal to 3, p of 3 is equal to k into 3 cube plus 4 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 minus 4. Okay. 3 cube is 27k plus 3 square is 9. 9 4s are 36 plus 3 3s are 9 minus 4. By adding all these, 36 plus 4 plus 9 minus 4, that will become 41. Okay. Putting the value of x in another polynomial q of x. Q of 3 will be 3q minus 4 into 3 plus k. 3 cube is 27 minus 4 3 are 12. 27 minus 12 will become 15. 15 plus k. According to the given condition that both polynomials leave the remainder same. So we can put them equal. This one first remainder will be equal to second remainder. Okay. 27k plus 41 is equal to 15 plus k. 27k, by shifting this k to left hand side, 27k minus k will equal to 26k. And 15 here is plus 41, by shifting to other side, 15 minus 41, this will become minus 26. Dividing both sides by 26, the value of k will be minus 1. So the here result is the value of k is equal to minus 1. Okay. Value of k is equal to minus 1. Okay. Let's move to the next slides. That is our last question of today's lecture. Okay. Uh, you have to see this by Ghibli. Okay. The remainder after dividing the polynomial p of x is by x plus 1 is 2b. Means अगर हम x plus 1 को देखें इसको कि अगर हम x plus 1 को p of x से डिवाइड करेंगे तो रिमाइंडर क्या आएगा 2b. ठीक है. इस क्वेश्चन में मैंने इस स्लाइड में यहाँ तक सा हुआ है. और calculate the value of a and b if this expression leaves the remainder of b plus 5 on being divided by x minus 2. अगर हम x minus 2 से डिवाइड करें तो रिमाइंडर क्या आएगा b plus 5. यहाँ पे दो कंडीशन है. ठीक है. एक तो अगर x plus 1 से डिवाइड करें तो रिमाइंडर आएगा 2b, और x minus 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे रिमाइंडर आएगा b plus 5. So let's start. P of x is equal to x cube plus a into x square plus 7. When P of x is divided by x plus 1, value of x is equal to the remainder P of minus 1 will be equal to 2b. That is given in the condition. अगर हम x plus 1 से डिवाइड करें रिमाइंडर क्या आएगा 2b. Okay. P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 cube a into minus 1 square plus 7. Minus 1 cube will be minus 1 a into 1 a plus 7. 7 में से 1 गए तो a plus 6. तो यहाँ पे ये देखें कि एज गिवन रिमाइंडर इज 2b, ठीक है। तो हम इसको लिख सकते हैं a प्लस 6 इज इक्वल टू 2b by arranging a minus 2b is equal to minus 6. Minus 2 will be shift to left hand side. I will also change sign. A minus 2b is equal to minus 6. ठीक है बेटा, ये होगी हमारी फर्स्ट कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई। इसको नोट डाउन कर लें, मीन्स के नोट कर लें। नेक्स्ट मूव ऑन सेकंड कंडीशन। सेकंड कंडीशन इज व्हेन दैट इज डिवाइडेड बाय x minus 2 रिमाइंडर विल बी b plus 5। अगर x minus 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे उसी इक्वेशन को, रिमाइंडर की जगह जैसे यहाँ 2b लिखा था यहाँ पे 2b लिखा है, तो इसकी जगह क्या लिख देंगे b plus 5। ओके नुमान रियाज, if you have any question I will see your question। Beta, kindly check your internet connection. You may have internet connection. That's why you are facing issue. Okay. Kindly inform me who can see question number 6. Hurry up kindly, beta. Okay. In question number 6 is the remainder after dividing by polynomial p of x is equal to x plus 1. Okay. Then leave the remainder 2b। अगर हम x plus 1 से डिवाइड करेंगे रिमाइंडर आ जाएगा 2b। अगर x minus 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो रिमाइंडर आएगा b plus 5। सेम इक्वेशन पे, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे चेक करें, अच्छा यहाँ पे चेक करें कि x plus 1 से डिवाइड करें, वैल्यू ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू -1 -1 क्यूब plus a into -1 square plus 7, that will become -1 plus a plus 7। 7 minus 1 will be a plus 6, as given in the condition that when we will divide x plus 1 to p of x, remainder will be 2b। ठीक है, अगर x plus 1 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो रिमाइंडर आएगा 2b। तो इसको लिख सकते हैं रिमाइंडर 2b, a plus 2b a plus 6 is equal to 2b by shifting a minus 2b is equal to -6। ये होगी हमारी फर्स्ट कंडीशन, ठीक है। अब नेक्स्ट कंडीशन की तरफ चलते हैं। when p of x is divided by x minus 2 then the remainder p of 2 is equal to b plus 5। अगर p of 2 से डिवाइड करें तो रिमाइंडर क्या आएगा b plus 5 हो जाएगा। 2 क्यूब प्लस a इंटू 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 7। तो यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं 2 cube is 8 plus 7, that will become 15। 2 square is 4, 4a, 4a plus 15। अब यहाँ पे बताया था कि x minus 2 से डिवाइड करें तो रिमाइंडर क्या आएगा b plus 5। तो b plus 5 इसमें पुट कर दे, फॉर वी कैलकुलेट रिमाइंडर इज इक्वल टू रिमाइंडर गिवन रिमाइंडर 4a plus 15 is equal to b plus 15। यहाँ पे जो आया था 4a plus 15, इसका रिमाइंडर क्या है b plus 5। अब 4a उसको शिफ्ट करें माइनस बी इज इक्वल टू 5 minus 15 इज इक्वल टू माइनस बी। यहाँ पे दो हमारे पास इक्वेशन बन गई हैं, ठीक है। एक तो बन रही है a minus 2b इज इक्वल टू -6, ठीक है। यहाँ और दूसरी कौन सी इक्वेशन बन रही है 4a minus b इज इक्वल टू -10। यहाँ पे हमने क्या करना है बाय इक्वेटिंग कोफिशिएंट। बाय इक्वेटिंग कोफिशिएंट मींस के यहाँ पे कोफिशिएंट को इक्वल लाना है। इक्वेशन 1 में देखें उसमें था 2b और इक्वेशन 2 में क्या है सिर्फ b है। तो मींस के कोफिशिएंट को इक्वल लाने के लिए इक्वेशन 2 को मल्टी ओके बेटा, आई वाज एट दैट पॉइंट के मल्टीप्लाई इक्वेशन 2 by 2 and subtract from equation 1। Equation 1 was a minus 2b is equal to -6। Okay, and by multiplying 2 4s are 8, that will become 8a, 2 ones are 2, 2b, and 2 tens are 20. The second equation will become 8a minus 2b minus 20. As there is a rule, by subtracting any equation from previous equation, that will change the sign. Minus 8 plus 2b and plus 20. You can see that minus 2b plus 2b will cut. Okay, remaining will be 8 minus 1 minus 7a. 6 minus 20 will be 20 minus 6, that will become 14. Put a is equal to 2. The value of a will become 2 as minus 2. 7 2 is 14. In equation 1 we can get, if we put the value of a is equal to, if we put the value of a is equal to minus 2 in equation 1, then minus 2 minus 2b is equal to minus 6. Okay, minus 2 by shifting to other side, minus 6 plus 2 will become minus 4. Dividing both sides by 2, then value of b is equal to 2. Okay, here the value of a is equal to, the value of a is equal to minus 2 and the value of b is equal to plus 2. Okay, here you can see that here the value of a is equal to plus 2. So beta, that is our today's lecture. If you have any question related to today's lecture, you may ask. It's your questioning time. आई थिंक हसाम, आपको क्या हुआ है, कैसे लेक्चर ले रहे हो? अच्छा, any of students who faced their internet connection problem, you may see this lecture of today in YouTube. Okay, जिन बच्चों को स्लाइड्स नहीं शो हो रही थी, ठीक है, बहुत ज़्यादा इशू आया है, काइंडली वो लेक्चर फिर यूट्यूब पे देख लीजिएगा, ठीक है। और ये पीडीएफ फॉर्म में भेज दिया गया था, तो ठीक है। सबा फातिमा ने क्वेश्चन पूछा है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 फ्रॉम स्टार्ट। ओके, आई विल रिपीट दिस अगेन in the given time. Okay, question number 6.